I hope everybody had a great start off to 2026. Let's take a look at the live satellite and radar across the eastern half of the nation. We have a stationary frontal boundary that is bringing a good bit of rain to the northern half of the Gulf Coast states. This will gradually work its way into our area for your Saturday, and that will lead to a pretty good chance of rain for your day tomorrow. So with that being said, here's a look at the future radar as we head into your day on Saturday. From midnight to night, this particular model wants to show a couple of showers around. I'm not really buying this though. I think most of us will be staying dry under mostly overcast skies. The rain will pick up as we head deeper into the overnight hours, and come 6 to 8 o'clock in the morning, the rain is now widespread across the entire viewing area, and it could be heavy at times as well. Very small risk that one of you could see an isolated rumble of thunder, but most of you will just be seeing good old-fashioned rain. This continues as we head throughout the first half of the afternoon, gradually heading into the second half of the afternoon. Our northwestern counties will be starting to dry out regarding the rain, while the bulk of the heaviest rain will be centered across the eastern half of our viewing area. By around 8 o'clock, now the majority of our area is starting to clear out with a isolated shower still lingering maybe right along the coastline, but these will quickly move out of the area by around 9 to 10 o'clock, and the forecast will then turn gorgeous heading into your Sunday. How much rain are we talking throughout tomorrow evening? Across the northern half of our viewing area, generally around 1/10 of an inch, upwards to 1/4 of an inch. South of that, in the blue color, that's anywhere between maybe 1/2 an inch upwards to 3/4 of an inch, then maybe closer to 1 inch as we head back across the south and west, but generally around 1/4 of an inch upwards to 3/4 of an inch of rain across the entire viewing area. Of course, thankfully, no flooding problems to worry about. Just a good old-fashioned soaking rain heading into your Saturday. Because of the cloud cover around, temperatures will not move all that much. We start out in the lower 50s for your Saturday and only climb into the middle 50s for afternoon high temperatures. Gradually, temperatures will only fall back into the lower 50s as the sun heads below back down the horizon. Heading into Sunday, that's the pick of the weekend. It'll be gorgeous for your Sunday with sunshine all day long. Temperatures start out in the lower 40s for the morning, and then we gradually climb into the middle 50s for afternoon high temperatures. As the sun heads below back down the horizon, temperatures will fall back into the upper 40s. Again, Sunday will be gorgeous, and the forecast for the gorgeous forecast doesn't stop there. Heading into next week, the first full week of 2026, high pressure reigning supreme right across the eastern half of the southeastern half of the nation, and this will lead to very mild and lots of sunshine across much of the eastern half of the nation as we head into the first full week of 2026. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. Beyond tomorrow, the forecast is gorgeous with lots of sunshine every single day. Temperature is very mild for the start of 2026. I mean, they might be approaching 70 degrees as we head into the second half of next week with overnight lows falling into the 50s. Here's a look at your forecast as we head further inland. Lots of sunshine past Saturday with temperatures in the lower 70s next Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows generally in the 40s and 50s. I hope you all have a great weekend.